guys, today I'm going to show you how to schedule posts on ContentStudio. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more ContentStudio tutorials. So look at your ContentStudio with your Google account and head over to Compose Post on the top right tab. Click on it. And now just add your post media. Click on this button to browse your post media. Example, let's see this post image, and you can add a description here. So just add a description, and here just head over to the post schedule. You'll find when to post now, or you can click on schedule. So select this to schedule your post. For example, tomorrow at 9:53 a.m. click on continue to schedule your post. And this is pretty much it, guys. Your post has been scheduled. Just click on schedule post to publish your post tomorrow at that exact time. Then this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a